Hello, my name is Connor from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'd like to present to you this Approved Used lovely little Volkswagen Up GTI. The Up comes with a 1 litre 115 PS petrol engine mated to a manual transmission. It's finished in a pretty, special non-metallic pure white with GTI sport bumpers and offers some exceptional exterior features. To the side you can see the stylish 17-inch Oswald alloy wheels with red brake calipers that add to the sporty look of the car, and to the front, the Halogen clear headlights with adjustable range that offer exceptional visibility. Coming into the boot, the Up offers folding rear seats, a privacy screen and shopping bag hooks. The cargo liner can also be adjusted to deepen the boot and provide extra space. Into the rear seating, you can find the interior has the lovely fusion grey Chikara cloth seats, ISO fixed mounting points and cup holders. Coming into the cockpit, and you can find our Chikara cloth sporty front seats that guarantee comfort with every drive, a cup holder, phone storage and the multifunctional steering wheel. The steering wheel features volume and hands-free controls, and behind this a sporty cockpit display. Onto the 5-inch display screen, radio allows you to connect to AM, FM and DAB channels. Media settings allows you to connect your phone via Bluetooth. Telephone allows you to connect your phone for hands-free use. And sound allows you to change the equalizer settings. Above the display is the manual climate control with heated front seat capabilities. The roof of the cabin features a personal mirror and reading lights. I hope you enjoyed this presentation of the Volkswagen Up GTI that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, please follow the link in the description below, or if you'd like to arrange a test drive, please contact our friendly sales team today on 01978 503 516. Many thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you find your next Volkswagen.